Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in Orlando, Florida at Disney World to check out Disney's Boardwalk Inn. This is actually the Boardwalk Inn's front entrance where you would go in and out from the hotel if you were in a car or catching a bus or something. But the other entrance, or the main entrance, is on the actual boardwalk, which you're going to see in a couple moments. The Disney Boardwalk Inn is located on one of the many waterways here at Disney World. Of course it is. It has a boardwalk, doesn't it? And it's surrounded by many other Disney resorts, including the Disney Swan, the Disney Dolphin, the Disney Yacht Club, Disney Beach Resort, and it's also immediately to its left or its right, depending upon which way you're facing, right next door to Epcot. Because it's on the water, the ferry service takes you to and from the parks from here, and the Skyliner is just a short walk away. The boardwalk you see here is rather long, and it has lots of restaurants and shops and things that you can check out, and it's kind of making me homesick. But I realized I'm in Disney World, no time to be homesick. I can do that once I get back home, but then I realized that didn't make too much sense. Disney's website says experience the charm and whimsy of turn-of-the-century Atlantic City at this waterfront resort hotel. Make a splash at Luna Park Pool and delight in a massage at the state-of-the-art fitness center. Discover carnival games, unique dining, and exciting nightlife on the Coney Island-style boardwalk. Strung like saltwater taffy along the shimmering Crescent Lake, Disney's Boardwalk Inn is located within walking distance to both Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios. Off in the background there by the lamppost, you can see a neighboring resort, the Swan Hotel. And just so you New Yorkers know, I'm not only covering the theme parks here in Orlando, but I'm pretty much going to cover every resort Disney has, as well as Universal, in upcoming videos here on the Orlando playlist. This is the Luna Park Pool. Clown around at the carnival-themed Luna Park Pool, glide down the Keister Coaster water slide, cool off under the spouting trunks of grinning elephant statues, and sink into the Whirlpool Spa. Children can even splash about in their own kiddie pool, and for a more tranquil experience, relax at 2 all-ages leisure pools, each with a Whirlpool Spa. This here around these parts is known as the Fantastic Five. They include Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Goofy, and Donald Duck. If you spot one of them in this video, I'm not going to say which one, but if you spot one of them, leave a comment in the comment section below as far as the timestamp where you spotted them, and you'll get a shout out in an upcoming video. There's lots of places around the Boardwalk Inn for dining and entertainment. Right on the boardwalk itself, it's a quarter-mile boardwalk, by the way, so half a mile each way if you're going to walk back and forth. But there's two clubs. One is the Atlantic Dance Hall, and the other one is Jelly Rolls. They're more or less like nightclubs if you want to check those out. If you're hungry and walking the boardwalk, there's several places you can pass by or stop into. It would be Big River Grill and Brewing Works, Boardwalk Bakery, Boardwalk Ice Cream, Boardwalk Joe's Marvelous Margaritas, ESPN Club, Funnel Cake Cart, Pizza Window, the To-Go Cart, and Trattoria El Forno. The Boardwalk Inn has its own more upscale restaurant called Flying Fish. The Boardwalk also has lots of attractions for kids and adults, including paddle boats if you're interested in going out on the water. But right now we're inside the Boardwalk Inn. We're going to take a walk around and see what it looks like. Definitely a 30s or maybe even a 20s theme here. The old Atlantic City days. I mentioned that the Boardwalk Inn has a upscale restaurant called Flying Fish, and some of the appetizers include lobster bisque, shrimp cocktail, tasting of artesian cheeses, mussels, items like that. Entrees include salmon any way you want it, seafood pasta including shrimp, lobster, scallops, clams, and mussels. They have scallops, all kinds of chicken, and steaks including filet mignon, New York strip. They have a potato wrapped red snapper. Lots of good food. It is kind of pricey. The steaks were about $60, $70, and the appetizers about between $15 and $20. They also have sides and dessert menu, of course, and a menu for kids as well. And of course, if you want something a little bit more inexpensive, then the Boardwalk is right outside. Lots of choices out there. As you can see, and as with all Disney resorts, the theming here is incredible. No detail is overlooked, and of course, you don't expect less from Disney. The service here, of course, super friendly, and everything is spotless. And that pretty much wraps up our visit here at the Boardwalk Inn at Disney World. What'd you think? Leave a comment below. There will be a boardwalk video, walking the boardwalk itself, and of course, lots more from resorts and theme parks here in the Orlando area coming up on the New York channel. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.